All right guys, I wanted to show you how bright those lights are. I mean, I really love them. Look at the cutoff. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I got a really special video for you today. So you've seen this car before. Let me show you real quick. There you go. You've seen it on the channel before. So I was contacted by Lasfit and they got this new bulb that's specific for the Highlander. So they sent it to me and I'm gonna install it, and I'm hoping it should fit perfectly. It was specifically designed for that car. So let's go and install it and see how it performs and how easy it is to install. They send you everything. So anyway, a lot of you guys who watch my channel have not subscribed. Boop boop boop. No, actually it's on this side right here. Hit the subscribe button and put notification bell so you don't miss any of my video. Without further ado, let's custom it. All right guys, here is the product we're reviewing. Like I said, Lasfit sent it to me, so we're gonna take it out and show you guys what comes in the box. So it's a brand new product and I want to try it for the Highlander. Let's open it up. Come on. Yeah, there we go. There you go guys, so you can see it even better. So in the package you have the bulb and you have the cover, which was a very important part of this install. So let's open it up and see. There you go. Look at the presentation guys. I actually really like the packaging. Really like it. All right, let's take this guy off. So you have a little, you know, literature. There you go. And you have a couple of stickers. There you go. And here is the whole thing guys, which is really cool. I gotta show you guys this. Wow, there's a little fan here to help cool the LEDs. There you go. Here you go guys, look. So the way this is made, guys, this bulb is a really nice bulb, really good quality aluminum, and looks really good. And this cutout make it very easy to install the bulb and put the cap on. And this is how it's supposed to look after you install. That's a little snippet. There's a really big fan in the back, and look how the quality of the bulbs. Very nice. And this is how the whole thing comes, and it is already labeled. Let me show you. Oh, hold on, there you go. Left side and the other one is right. So I'm so excited to put this in guys. Let's go. All right guys, we're gonna start on the driver's side. I don't know if you remember my last video when I was trying to install the bulb that I bought from Axito. When I was trying to install it, I was having so much issue to get this cap to fit in properly. It was really tough. I had to try to customize it as best as I can, but with the Lasfit I shouldn't have that problem. So let's go and take out the cover. Should twist it. All right, got it. Jesus. So guys, I don't remember if I showed you how I customized this, but I had to cut a lot of this. It was a pain and it wasn't fitting properly here. There you go. But anyway, let's take this bulb out and then we're gonna try the Lasfit bulb. All right, this is unplug. All right, I got the bulb. Here we go, it's out. All right guys, let's tighten this this little cap. Now just trying to put the bulbs on. Okay, so you put the bulb in. Hold on, you just gotta find a little pattern. It goes in there, but I won't twist. There we go, got it. Gotta put it straight. Once it's straight, you can twist it down this way. Bulb is in. So now we got the cap. First, let's connect this little connector. So this connector, guys, only go one way. There we go. There's like a little line in here that you could see. So line this line up with the other side, then twist it. Make sure, just hand tight, should be just fine. Now we should be able to connect this end, as you can see, connect right away. Let me turn on the light, just make sure it works. There you go, guys. It fits really easily once you get it straightened out. Looks really good. I'll show you what it looks like at night. So far so good. Just from the first look of it, this looks so much better. The Lasfit looks so much better than the Axito. And I see there is a little tint of blue on it. This is the Lasfit. This is the Axito. This is more whitish, maybe like a 5,000 Kelvin. And this one might be like a 55 or 6,000, around there. But looks really, really good, guys. The most important part is this. I don't know if you could hear. Let me be quiet so you can hear the fan. There's a fan in the box here. I don't know if you could see it turning to keep the LED cool, which is great. And there's a fan, let me see, right here on the bulb itself. There's a fan right there, guys. There's two fans to keep it cool, which is great. All right, guys, so as you can see, it definitely works. Now let's just push the cables inside the housing. There's enough room in there for all the cables to fit. I'm just trying to find the right way to put it. Hold on. Oh, I like that. Oh, I'm trying to twist it down.
Is it a twister?
Yeah, it is. All right, guys, it is on. Make sure that's not coming out. Okay, it's on, guys. Look how nice this look. I really like the way they made the cap. The only thing I wish they would have put maybe a couple of more little legs to help you twist it, because it's not enough room. But it's not too bad. Maybe a little leg a little higher, that would have helped twist the bulb in. But so far so good. Look how nice it looks. It must look factory. Why didn't Toyota make this? Anyway, this looks really good, guys. I'll get you another video at night how the bulbs look. All right, let's try the next side, guys. All right, guys, now we're on the passenger side. To get at the light, you have to remove this. I think you gotta pop it up. Oh, there we go. You just gotta pull it up, guys. All right, let's put this to the side a little. There we go. All right, now to take out the bulb. Oh, there we go. Just twist it. Okay, guys, now we take the bulb out. Just push down the little connector, twist the bulb. All right, counterclockwise, and the old bulb is out. All right, guys, so I got the new bulb in here, and I'm gonna install it. Like that. All right, guys, just need to go get some light. Hold on, so I can really see. There we go. Once you get it in on this side, you put it in on this way, and then you turn it this way, and then it'll lock itself into place. There you go. Just having this little cut off is amazing, guys, just to make the bulb fit easily. I'm glad Lasfit decided to do this. Very smart. Okay, guys, now let's put the cap on. Okay, so just like the other one, bulbs goes only one way. Find the little hole, I mean the little slit, and twist it. Now we got to connect this guy. It's already in the housing. Okay, let's test it again, guys, before we put the cap on. Those are really nice, guys. I really like them. They are so nice. Can't wait to see what they look like at night. Really, really good looking bulbs. You hear the fan, guys? Really nice. Okay, I was trying to find a little pattern.
That's pretty good.
Oh, that was easy to put on. I like that. That was really easy to put on. There you go, guys. It's all done. Look how nice this cap looks. I like it. Very good job, Lasfit. Looks really good. As you can see, guys, they are beautiful. If you're interested instead, I'll put the discount code in the description down below. Check it out. All right, guys, I wanted to show you how bright those lights are. I mean, I really love them. Look at the cutoff. Look how much it illuminates the whole road. Let me show you something real quick. Guys, I'm telling you, the camera doesn't really do it justice, but these lights are so nice. Look how the little brightness of blue is. It looks so good, guys. Look at that. Looks really good. This is where the headlight starts, see right here, and look how much they light up the road. These are so good, guys. I'm gonna drive a little and show you what it looks like. Look how nice this light up the road. Going up a hill. Look, I can see everything. These lights are so freaking good. Like you're on the back road, no worries. You probably don't even look at the cutoff, guys. Look how beautiful the cutoff. Look right here. Look at the ground. Look at the side, how the side is light up. Look at this other side. Everything is lit up. I mean, wow. Look at it, guys. Look at the cutoff on the wall, guys. Look at the cutoff. Yeah. These are really nice bright lights. Alright guys, this install is all done and completed, and I can't wait to show you guys what it looks like at night. I'm gonna find a good spot so you guys can see how bright and nice they look. So anyway, this is all done. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Until the next time, peace.